Hi friends, welcome to #me. Today in this video we will see data types in Java. So what are the different data types in Java? Let's see one by one. Firstly, you need to know is that Java is basically a static type of language. So what do you mean by static type language is that when you declare the variables, you need to specify the data type associated with that particular variables. So means that results into static time compilation. So they are named as static type language. In association, we also have C and C++, which are also static language. On the contrary, Python we have, which is a dynamic type language in which we not necessarily not need to specify data type associated with the variable. For example, I have presented a variable of integer type and initialized to the value 0. So that was about Java's type specification. So now actually move to the further slide. What do you mean by the classification in data types? So they can primarily classified into primitive data types. Primitive data types are can be either numeric or non-numeric. Numeric are either can be integer or floating. And integer are further divided into int, short, long, byte. So floating are also can be further divided into double or float. The specialty of integer, it cannot include a decimal or a precision value in its values. In short, byte, long, any of its types cannot be included in those types. And in floating point, we can include the decimal point up to a long range. So the other part we have non-numeric, which are further classified into character or boolean. In character, character can hold a single value in it, be it any kind of letter or character. And also boolean, it is a non-numeric type. It either can be true or false. So now let's move to the non-primitive types. What are the non-primitive data types? Non-primitive data types are further classified into arrays, user-defined classes, and strings. So arrays is a collection of similar data type of elements grouped together, be it an integer, float, double, long. We can have this kind of arrays. And class user defined classes, any user defined class in which you need to do those basis, those come under non-primitive type. And also we have strings that is classified as non-primitive data type in Java. So now let's move to actually the sizes. What are they? Data types and the sizes. So we have primitive, size in bytes, and range. So range part, not to worry about that exact values. So size in bytes. So it's for int it's 32 or 4 bytes. 32 is in bits. So 8 bit a byte. So 32 bits come to 4 bytes. So long we have 64, which comes to 8 bytes. Float 32, so it comes to 4 bytes. Double, we have 64, again it's come to 8 bytes. String is 16 bits per character, again it's come to 4 bytes. Character also 4 bytes. Boolean is 8 bytes. And we have range of by default value. It can be either true or false. Character is one character. So that was all about data types in Java. Keep liking, subscribing to #me. Bye.